Solving system of equations by substitution. As you can see, there are two different equations. We have to solve them to find the value of x and y. There are three different methods to solve them: by elimination, by substitution, and by graphing. So we are doing it by substitution now. As you can see, there are two equations. First step is we will label them as equation 1 and equation 2. What we need to do in these equations, we have to find the value of x and y. So from one of the given equations, we make x or y the subject of formula, so that we can just get an expression of which is telling us x is equal to this much or y is equal to this much. As you can see in this question, first one is already solved for y, which tells us that y is equal to 2x minus 4. So it's already solved for us. So what we need to do is substitute the value of y, which is 2x minus 4, in place of y in another equation, this one. Okay, so what we will do now, we will write substitute the value of y, which is 2x minus 4, in equation 2. So I will write equation 2 again, which says 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. So again, 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 4, that's actually y in another equation, is equal to 1. Let's solve it. 3x minus 2 multiply 2x is going to be minus 4x, minus 2 multiplying minus 4 is going to be plus 8, is equal to 1. Simplify it now. So 3x minus 4x is going to give us minus 1x plus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, now we will take plus 8 on the other side, so it will become minus 8, or you can do it that way, as to remove to cancel the plus 8, we do minus 8 on both sides. Okay, now minus 1x is equal to 1 minus 8 is minus 7. To remove the minus 1, we divide both sides by minus 1, and now you can see that x is equal to 7. We got x, which is equal to 7. Now what we need to do, we substitute the value of x in any of the above equation. I will prefer the first one, which says that y is equal to 2x minus 4, and we will substitute x as 7. So y is equal to 2 times 7 minus 4. So y is equal to 2 times 7 is 14 minus 4. Y is equal to 10. We got x and y. That brings us to our answer that the solution is 7, which is x, and 10, which is y. Okay, let's solve another similar question. As you can see, in this first equation is given, which says that x is equal to 3y minus 4. So we already know the value of x. What we will do now, substitute x equal 3y minus 4 in equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is 2x minus 3y equals negative 2. In place of x, we will substitute 3y minus 4, and everything else will remain same. Continue solving. So 2 times 3y is going to be 6y. 2 times negative 4 is going to be negative 8. Minus 3y is equal to negative 2. Simplify. 6 minus 3y is going to give us 3y. Minus 8 equals negative 2. Cancel minus 8 by doing plus 8 on both sides. So 3y is equal to positive 6. Divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 2. We got the value of y. Now we substitute y as 2 in equation 1. Okay, substitute y as 2 in equation 1. In equation 1 is x equal 3y minus 4. So x equal 3 times 2, because y is 2, minus 4. X equals 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 4. X is equal to 2. So we got the values of both x and y. So we write them in a bracket. X stands for 2. Y stands for 2. That's our solution to the problem. Okay, let's do the third one, which is a little bit different than the two we just finished. As you can see, this third question, none of the equation gives us the answer for x or y. We don't know how much is x, the expression for x or the expression for y. So we will solve the first one as it is easy. So x plus y is equal to 5. So if I want to know the expression for x is equal to how much, I will remove the y. To remove the y, I'll do minus y on both sides. This is also known as changing the subject of formula. Okay, so we are just making x the subject of formula. We are isolating x. So now once we remove y from the left side and it goes to the right side, so x is now equal to 5 minus y. Now we will substitute x as 5 minus y in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus y equals negative 2, and x is 5 minus y, so 2 times 5 minus y minus y is equal to negative 2. 2 times 5 is going to be 10. 2 times negative y is going to be negative 2y, and outside the bracket we have a negative y equals negative 2. Simplify. 10 minus 3y equals negative 2. Take the 10 away. So to cancel the 10, we'll do minus 10 on both sides as it's a positive 10. So minus 3y is equal to minus 12. To find the y now, we have to divide both sides by negative 3. So y is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals 5. X plus 4 equals 5 because y is 4. And x is, take 4 from both sides. X is 5 minus 4, which is 1. Here we got our solution where x is 1 and y is 4. That's the solution to our equations. This is how we solve simultaneous equations by substitution.